All my life, 77 years, I've called this a red-headed woodpecker, and everybody I know here in East Texas calls them red-headed woodpeckers. I looked it up and they are not. This is the red-bellied woodpecker, and we're at the southern end of their range. And this is a male, and he's getting food from the cat food to take to his mate who's sitting in a nest somewhere around here. If you listen closely, you will hear a little chomp sound. That's the sound that the woodpeckers make when they're landing. It goes chomp. So listen for that now. Be sure to look in the far upper left-hand corner and you see what the woodpecker is seeing and why he decided to leave. Here's a little sparrow or house wren, whatever you want to call it. They take full advantage of any free food around the farm, and I just wanted to point him out because you couldn't see him back in the background. And these are jaybirds, or blue jays as they're really called. They are a very raucous bird. They wake up in the morning just to hollering as loud as they can, and they are always willing to fight. You'll notice one of the smaller birds grabs a piece of cat food and hooks it, and right after he takes off, a bigger bird lands, and that bigger bird has got his crest up, which means I'm willing to fight you over whatever it is. See the raised crest? This is what we're talking about. And this glorious creature is a cardinal, or as it's called here in the South, a redbird, for obvious reasons. This is about a 2-year-old male. All the males have the bright red, where the females have a dappled color so that they won't be so obvious when they're sitting in their nest. These are ground feeders, and it's really rare to see one come up here to get to the cat food. We usually put out what is it called, sunflower seeds and stuff like that, just scatter those on the ground, because that's where redbirds or cardinals feed most of the time. And this is a wonderful specimen of about a 2-year-old. I have hours and hours and hours of these, and I don't know if y'all like to watch this or not. But if you do, please leave me a note down in the comment section, and I will drag out all the whatever kind of bird you want to see and get that published. Thank you much. Captain Jack signing off. Adios.